Matt Svoboda here, Sales Engineer at BioThane Coated Webbing. With my experience of over 7 years, I will work with you on your OEM projects in medical and safety applications, as well as other industrial products. So on our website, we have offered 4 of our most popular coatings, 2 of them being TPUs and 2 PVCs. To distinguish each one, we use a 3-digit number code. So the first difference you will notice on the TPU coatings is visual appearance. The 231 coating is a low gloss or matte finish, as we like to say, and the 401 coating is a high gloss or shiny finish. Each of these coatings will have a light sand embossed texture. One other difference is the durometer or hardness. The 231 is listed as a 78A shore hardness, and the 401 being a 90A shore hardness. This affects the flexibility and abrasion, and depending on your needs, it might be worth sampling both. One final difference is chemical resistance. We tested the top 4 chemicals on these 2 coatings. The 231 had good resistance, whereas the 401 was fair. So what I'm doing here is I'm cutting a few samples that we are going to put on our adjuster tester to see how this webbing adjusts through a buckle. This is very important because customers will usually come from using an uncoated webbing to a coated webbing. For the 2 PVC coatings, again, the first difference is visual appearance. Similar to the TPUs, the PVCs also have a low gloss option or a high gloss option, all with our light sand emboss. As with most PVC products, these 2 coatings are great against the 4 chemicals that we tested. The 520 series is especially great against bleach. There is a significant difference in flexibility and abrasion between these 2 coatings, mainly due to the difference in hardness. The 520 series is a 60A shore hardness, and the 583 is an 82A shore hardness. All 4 of these coatings that I talked about can be RF welded with the appropriate equipment. If RF welding is not an option, you can always stitch these products for your application. Again, if you have the right equipment. We use a programmable Juki sewing machine for our in-house fabrication. So as you can see here, we developed a machine to test the abrasion and adjustment. What this does is it basically replicates the adjustment process you will use when adjusting our strap through a regular buckle. In my experience, the most popular coating for industrial applications is the 231 coating. It is a nice blend of look and feel while still being durable for industrial products. In general, the TPU coatings are always a good choice, but there will be situations where the PVC products will perform better. Thanks for watching this video on our coatings. Don't forget to tune into our next video where we're going to talk about webbing substrates. If you have any questions or need to call me, feel free to contact me anytime, and I'll be here to answer all your questions.